Welcome back. We are here on Ether looking at the indices, and it's going to be my daily forecast for Friday, April 16, 2021. If you like to support our channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our news videos, and you're welcome to join us over here at Ether, where you also can copy our trades. The link is down below. So we'll start by looking at the S&P 500, and as you can see, we are getting fairly close to the top of this range. We are also significantly overbought at this point, so a pullback should be expected, and it has been basically expected for quite some time now. But when we get RSIs that are above 70, that is only a matter of time before we see a pullback towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is at around, give or take, 4,043 at this point. And if that breaks, then we could head all the way down to the 50, down here at 3,961. So yes, we are getting very close to the top of the Bollinger Band here, and we're also getting overstretched in basically the RSI. So at this point, other technical indicators are very bullish, but buying at these levels, that is fairly risky. So let's look at the Dow Jones. So also the Dow Jones here, we have pulled back a little bit. We're trading at the all-time highs here at the 34K, and as you can see, we're significantly overbought and fairly overstretched here. So a pullback towards the middle of the Bollinger Band at 33K, that could be expected. A break below that opens the door all the way down to 32K. Technical indicators otherwise are very bullish, but at this point, buying at the RSI this high, that is probably not the best strategy. Pullbacks are expected at this point, and is basically where people will take advantage of these pullbacks and buy it off the cheap. So let's look at the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is technically been trading from sideways the last 4 trading days, or 3 trading days. We have basically reached to the all-time highs here at 14K. But otherwise, technical indicators are becoming flat, even though we're in a very bullish territory. We're also on the edge of being overbought here. So a pullback towards the 20 exponential moving average at the 13,553 could be expected, or down towards these previous lows here, which is down, give or take, 13,400 or 13,300. Could also be an area of interest, but we are getting over and getting basically to the edge of being overbought, and also we are also basically running into resistance at this area, which should be troubling. And considering that we have been rallying for the last basically 3 to 4 weeks, then a pullback could be expected at this current stage. So let's look at the German DAX. So German DAX did rally today. Nothing has really happened in the German DAX the last 2 weeks. We're trading at 15,286 at this current stage. Technical indicators are very bullish still, but the MACD has crossed the signal line in bullish territory, and we are significantly overbought yet again. So a pullback towards the 20 exponential at give or take 15,000 could be expected before going higher to 15,500 or 16,000. So let's look at the UK 100. So UK 100, we have reached all the way up towards 7,000. We are on the edge of being overbought now, and we are getting basically on the edge of the Bollinger Band here. So a pullback towards the middle of the Bollinger Band or towards these previous highs here could be expected before we go and breach 7,000. So this is one of those indices that has not recovered yet from its basically major fall last year. So DAX has recovered, the US indices have recovered, and so on. And so this has been basically taking its time to recover. So the all-time highs up here at give or take 7,700, and that is quite far off at this point. So we are getting fairly overstretched. Pullbacks could be expected, and we'll most likely find major support down here in the middle of the Bollinger Band, which is at 6,800. So let's look at the China 50. So China 50 basically broke the 200 moving average and then we rallied again. So we created this, we're still in red, but we created this hammer. And at this current stage, if we started trading underneath the 200 moving average, we could head towards the 16,000 and even 15,000. We can look at, for example, the Fibonacci retracements for this market, how far this could basically fall. We have broken the first one. The next one is down here at 16,000, and the last one is down here at 15,000. That is probably as far as this basically will go if we start trending underneath the 200 moving average. A break below here, well, of course, then we could head all the way down towards 12,500 and also 11,000 or even lower than that. But major support should be around 16,000 and 15,000. So, hope you find this helpful. You're welcome to support our channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our newest videos, and you're welcome to join us over here at eToro. Good luck and thank you very much.